The world is changing fast with advanced technologies to facilitate your lives. However, schools remain the same, with books weighing down on students' shoulders and making education drag. That's why with Sweedu School Management Software, we endeavor to deliver education technology made to make education easier and more fun for students. With features like smart class, video tutorials and online exams, students can learn from the comfort of their homes, and teachers can use their imagination to make fun and engaging educational videos for better understanding. Educational games and puzzles allow students to spend more time learning something new while having fun on Sweedu. Sweedu helps parents to work along with the school and ensure the overall growth of the child. The school can send them regular updates on the child's progress in the curricular and extracurricular activities. This helps parents know where their child's interests are inclined. With advanced GPS integration and visitor management, schools and parents can also prioritize student safety, right from leaving for school until returning home. Together with Sweedu School Management Software, the teacher, school administration, and parents can shape a better future for children. Find out more about Sweedu School Management Software, or start your free trial at www.sweedu.com.